Hey everybody, it's Jim from Scoopy. How are you? Look, my coons are out. I gotta feed them pancakes. Look, see? Here, coons. Come on. Take it easy. Take it easy. Here. Pulling a wheelie? Here you go. Clemenza. Here. Fredo, take that one. Tessio, take that. Over here. Come here, coons. Come on. Come get him. Good. Hey, behave. Behave. Nice coon, nice coon.